Hi everybody, it's Judy here at River City Sewing, bringing you this week's video news. Well, this week at River City Sewing, you can see behind me that the colour wall has extended even further. We've included extra products in our grunge, Bella and spotted ranges, as well as adding some tone-on tones from our previous ranges into that colour wall so that you have the most amount of choice that you can to match up with fabrics in your stash, in your collections, and these tone-on tones work really well to fill out some of your sewing projects. So why not come in and have a look at those? Everyone likes grunge, everyone likes spotted. We've put a few, obviously increased the lines of Bella in there to give you some plains in the colours, but we've also introduced these lines to the store, which are a series of white on whites, and white on whites are always terribly hard to find, but this range from Michael Miller is here, and this is only part of it. We've got the full range coming in. We've included some Kimberbell in there, that was the white on white, and we've got a couple of other white on whites that we generally keep here at the store. But this is the first part of this series. Like I said, there's 16 of these in total, so they'll be great for you to come in and have a look if you're looking for a backing, you're looking for a background fabric. This will be a lot of fun when you see these up and close. Some of them have got little squares, little like splodges, like a leopard print, some are lines, some are plaids, some are text. You know, there's lots of different things. So that's the first part of this shipment. The rest will be coming soon. So we hope that you'll always think that we've got these really good quality white on whites here, that if you're looking for backgrounds, then come and see us. All right, there's like I said, more of that coming, and we look forward to showing you that. We've also found a white on white backing that we brought in as well as this beautiful new flowery backing, which is just lovely. You need to come in and have a look at that. I'm not going to give all that away too quickly on the video. But the other things we got in that you haven't seen yet are this collection of stripes, and we've curated with our spots and any of the plaid. So we've got some of that Kimberbell plaid, we've got some of our Kimberbell spot, the stripes, plus this new collection here with the skinny stripe and the half-inch stripe. So if you're looking for something, a little bit fun with stripes or plaids or things like that, then come down and have a look at this collection that we'll have here in store. It's quite fun because they make great bindings, they make great contrast to lots of different things, so stripes are always a lot of fun. And they're always usually the first part of a collection to disappear, so why not come and have a look at what we have here. So this week, classes continue. Our big announcement this week is for all you machine embroiderers out there. We have opened the bookings for our Zundt Designs 2-day workshop for 2025. It's going to happen in March, and we've opened the bookings up. It's doing the chickadees and dogwood wall art. It's just a beautiful piece. I'll put the links in the email here so that you can go and have a look at the bookings. What we've done is we've kitted this whole workshop, so all you need to make sure that you bring is your machine ready to stitch out, some extra bobbins, and there's a few small things that you need. We're kitting everything else out for this workshop so that you all have the same materials, fabrics, everything, so that it'll be much easier for you to complete this 2-day. Now Tracy Sims is doing that 2-day from Zundt Designs. So we'll be doing that in our upper level at our store. Now, don't get scared, because our team are going to take your machines upstairs, and you'll be up there for 2 days doing that particular event, because you've got more room to set yourselves out, and having that sort of space to work in and get around, it'll be much more comfortable for you all, and allows us to take up to 20 for that workshop in March. So that's going to be great. I'll be there helping with getting you all underway with Tracy, so it'll be really a lot of fun doing that 2-day workshop, and it's just the most beautiful techniques, beautiful designs. The class fee includes your tuition, your designs, all of your materials, all you need to make sure is you bring your machine. Now, just be aware there is a minimum hoop size to do this workshop, so you need to make sure that your machine can take the minimum hoop size, and all the details about that are on the website when you go and have a look at the booking page. All right, so book yourself in. We've already got bookings. Okay, we've already got, I think there's 5 or 6 already booked into that class that it went up yesterday or the day before. So I want to make sure that all of you who are interested in that particular type of workshop, get yourself in for that. All right, so it should be lots of fun, and it's going to be a fantastic workshop. That'll be the only 2-day embroidery workshop with Zundt Designs this year. Okay, so we're doing that right at the beginning of the year in March. So you need to make sure, if you'd like to do that, book yourself in, and that way you do not miss out on doing an extraordinary piece of embroidery. Now, as we go through the rest of November, we're running up to the Black Friday sales. And yes, we will be doing some Black Friday sales. Our clearance has started already, as you saw. We are doing some markdowns again today of Christmas lines. So if you were looking for some Christmas fabric or just curious about what kind of discounts that we've got, we're marking anywhere from 30% off to 80% off our Christmas lines. Okay, so first in gets it. Gets the best stuff. We'll be marking them down from today. So once stores open today, there'll be markdowns happening on all of our Christmas stock, Christmas kits, panels. There's some Kimberbell fabrics there. There's some cup of cheer kits there. There's jelly rolls with Christmas things. So if you're in the market for anything Christmas fabric wise, or kits or ideas, this is the time to come in and have a look at what we have on offer. So anywhere between 30 to 80% off. It's worth a drive over to have a look, right? So why not get involved in that? The Black Friday, there will be some machines go on Black Friday sale. If you're interested in a machine and you're waiting for Black Friday, come and see us. We will know most of the Black Friday sales by the end of this week. So if you are looking for a machine, we've already got information about what's going on Black Friday sale. We're not advertising until the machine companies tell us that we can advertise, or say that we can advertise. However, we can help you secure a machine at Black Friday pricing if it's on sale. So don't wait, come in. We'll make sure that we can get that sorted for you, so that you don't miss out on any of those Black Friday deals. Especially, there's some fantastic offers I've seen already, and I'm itching to get them out there, but they'll go, some of those won't go on advertising until at least the 18th. So we've got another week or so, or only 2 weeks to go. But if you're in the market for a new machine, then come and see us, because we might be able to get that Black Friday deal for you right now. Okay. So from Judy and all the team, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching last week's very long video. Hope you enjoyed shopping around the store. Hopefully today this has given you a little bit of inspiration. As we've the guys here have been doing some more zhuzhing. We've been doing lots of things for clearance. So it's well worth a drive down, that you'll get something at a really super offer right now with our clearance happening through November. So from Judy and all the team, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you again in store really, really soon. And take a look at those booking pages for that 2-day workshop, and you'll see that some of our 2025 classes are already up online. So you may want to have a little bit of a look around in there. If there's any questions about anything to do with what you've seen in the video today, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the store, and we'll help you out with that information. So from all the team, thanks for watching. Bye for now.